Cal Newport found that most knowledge workers manage only 1 to 2 hours of true deep work per day. Those who consistently hit 4+ hours produce work that is both higher quality and higher volume. The compound effect is career-defining. Deep work starts before you sit down. Designate a specific location for deep work only, a specific desk, room, or even a specific coffee shop seat. Your brain learns to associate that environment with focus. Remove your phone physically from the space, not just silenced. Create a 5-minute ritual that signals deep work is beginning. Mine is close all browser tabs, open only the project file, put on the same playlist, fill my water bottle, and set a physical timer. The ritual creates a Pavlovian trigger that drops you into focus faster each time. After 90 minutes, take a deliberate 15-minute break that actually restores cognitive energy. Walk outside, look at distant objects to reset your eyes, eat a protein-rich snack. Avoid your phone. Checking social media during a break depletes the very attention you're trying to restore. The last 45 minutes of a 4-hour session is where the magic happens. You've warmed up, you're deep in flow, and your brain is making connections it couldn't in the first hour. Protect this time at all costs. Schedule no meetings within 30 minutes of your deep work in time. Block your first 4-hour deep work session this week. Use the protocol checklist I've linked in the description. Start with 2 hours. If 4 feels impossible, you'll build up.